Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to deactivate or turn off Talkback in your phone Moto G34. Suppose if you have accidentally turned on Talkback in your phone, if you would like to turn it off, yes, you can do it. Just follow this video instruction. First of all, to navigate, you cannot to go normally. Okay, to go to the settings or notification area, you go to use your two fingers swiping down like this. Okay, then only notifications area will be open. Okay, here select settings icon. Okay, tap on settings icon and double tap to open it. For every item to open, you go to double tap on it. Okay, then to navigate, just use two finger and swipe up or down, and then here select accessibility. Click on accessibility and double tap on it. Then click on Talkback and double tap on it. Click on Talkback and double tap on it. And click on Use Talkback and double tap on it. And click on Stop and double tap on it. And now Talkback is off and you can use your phone normally. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.